Hello, my dear viewers. I'm back with my series English and its Proper Usage, episode 2 of Phrasal Verbs. Well, let me reinstate what I have already told you in the first episode. Mastering phrasal verbs is a challenge for learners of the English language, but trust me, it's important to master them in order to make yourself understood in conversations. Today we shall be dealing with a few phrasal verbs beginning with the letter B. Bank up and bank on. Bank up is to form a heap or a pile. For instance, the sand was banked up against the wall of the building. Bank on is to rely or depend on somebody or something. For example, I am banking on your assistance to complete the project. Bear out and bear with. Bear out means to support somebody or to confirm about something. For instance, the other witnesses will bear out what I have said in the court. Bear with means to tolerate with patience. For instance, I have to bear with him in these difficult times. Boil away and boil down. Boil away is to boil until nothing remains, or to evaporate. For example, the milk has been boiled away to a few spoonfuls. Boil down is to summarize something. For example, you are requested to boil down the article to only 400 words. Bring in and bring around. Bring in is to earn or produce or yield. For example, the adequate rains will bring in a good harvest. Bring around is to convert somebody to one's own point of view or to convince somebody to your own point of view. For example, my father was not keen on the project, but I managed to bring him around. Brush aside and brush up. Brush aside is to pay very little importance to something or to disregard something. For example, sometimes you need to brush aside your own personal interests for your family. Brush up is to practice or to revise. For instance, you must brush up your French before you leave for Paris. Thanks for watching, my dear viewers. I am VK Jayashree from Excel English with VKJ. I repeat once again, if you find my videos worthy enough, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.